Welcome to Drapes and Dazzles. Today we are back with assorted saris. We have a range of saris in printed and work. Also, these saris range from around 700 to 1800. The price of all the saris will be displayed on the screen, and the phone number also will be displayed, which you can contact us on. Let's start with the video. The first sari is a nice Pashmina art silk sari. This is a very soft sari. I have showcased this in my earlier video. This is a turquoise blue color with white prints all over the sari and also the pallu. This is the pallu of the sari. If you like the sari, please take a screenshot and send it to us on WhatsApp, and we'll send you the details. Okay. The next sari is a very pretty, very decent looking tussar, semi-tussar sari. This sari is, the base is beige color, and the border and the pallu has black work with golden and red. This is the pallu of the sari. Very pretty sari. It can be worn for daily wear, also for office wear and occasions. I'll show you the work. This is nice work, and this is the pallu work. See? Okay. This is the whole look of the sari. If you like this sari, take a screenshot and send it to us on WhatsApp. The next sari is also a semi-tussar sari. While the other sari had small buttas in gap, this sari has this design all over the sari. Same semi-tussar sari. The base is beige color, and the work is in red and golden. This is the pallu of the sari. Very, very, very pretty sari. Very pretty sari. I'll show you the work. Look at the work. This is actually red color. It looks maybe looking orange in the screen. And this is the pallu. This is the pallu of the sari. See, the body of the sari has all over work. Okay. This is the look of the sari. If you like this, send it to us on WhatsApp, and we'll revert to the details. This also has a blouse piece. The other sari also had a, this has a plain blouse piece. The other sari also had a plain blouse piece. Okay. Next is a Manipuri semi-silk with Katha print. This looks like Katha stitch. Actually, from far it feels like Katha stitch sari, but the sari, it's all print. I'll show you. See, these are all printed design. So this has prints till the pleats, full prints till the pleats, and the body it has a skirt border. Right. This is the brown color sari with prints all over. This is the pallu. Look at the pallu. Very nice, very beautiful. It's very comfortable and can wear it for daily wear. Very nice looking sari. See, this is the look of the sari. If you like it, please send it to us on WhatsApp, and we'll revert to you. The next is a linen, semi-linen ikat work sari. This is semi-linen ikat sari. It has ikat work, a nice lavender color, lavenderish color, with pink border and silver lines, and it has, you know, these ikat motifs. And the pallu is a very beautiful purple and black combination and grey combination in the pallu. Just look at the sari. Very beautiful sari. If you like it, please send the screenshot to us on WhatsApp, and we'll revert to you. This also has a blouse piece. The blouse piece is also in contrast, purple color contrast. Okay, so the next sari is a batik linen saris. We have quite a few linen saris today. Semi-linen batik sari with border, zari border, and this is brown, light brown color, and with white batik prints, and also black pallu with batik prints in white, and it also has a blouse piece with border in black. Very nice, very good for daily wear. You can take a screenshot and send it to us on WhatsApp, and we'll revert to you if you like. Then is also another linen sari. This is stripes linen. Okay, so this has Gicha ka is no, not exactly Gicha. This is zari kind of lines all over the sari. It's very elegant looking sari. It also has a pallu which has similar lines on the pallu. This is the look of the sari. Green color with lines. Beautiful sari. If you like this, please send a screenshot to us on WhatsApp and we'll come back to you with details. The last sari is also again a linen sari, plain linen sari in nice light pink. It's not baby pink, it's light pink color with silver border, and this is the pallu. Silver lines in the pallu also. This is the look of the sari. Very pretty looking, very pretty pink. If you like the look of the sari, you send a screenshot to us on WhatsApp and we'll revert to you. So we have one more part of daily wear and occasional wear saris and assorted saris. You can watch out for the video. It will be coming soon. Thank you.